Welcome. If you're tired of seeing certain Snapchat stories without wanting to unfriend someone, there's a simple way to clean up your feed. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute a friend's story on Snapchat using the latest update. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page where all your account settings and friend lists are stored. Next, scroll a little until you see the My Friends option and tap on it. Here, you'll find your full friends list. Take a moment to locate the friend whose story you no longer want to see popping up in your feed. Once you find their name, press and hold on it. Don't just tap, make sure you hold it down for a second until a menu appears. This menu gives you several options related to that friend. From the options that pop up, tap on Story Settings. This is where you can control how you interact with their stories without affecting your friendship. Now, you'll see a toggle labeled Mute Story. Simply switch that on. Snapchat may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm it.